24 continued, and in part D says, what can you determine about the exterior angles of other regular polygons? Explore this with your team. Have each team member choose a different one, blah, 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 blah. They want us to calculate the measure of one exterior angle and calculate the sum of the exterior angle measures. Okay? So what you're going to notice is that the sum of any polygon of the exterior angles is going to be 360, 360, 360, 360. Guess what? You'll always get that answer right because it's always 360, 360, 360, no matter what size your polygon is, no matter how many sides it has, okay? Then, to get one of them, you just have to take that 360 and divide by how many sides it has. So if it's a triangle, you divide by 3 to get 120. If it's an octagon, you divide by 8 to get 45. If it's a decagon and you don't know what that word decagon means, you Google it or you ask your Alexa and she'll tell you it has 10 sides. So you divide by 10 and you get 36. If it's a dodecagon and you don't know what a dodecagon is, you search it up. You find out that it's 12 sides, divide by 12 and you get 30. Okay? But the sum is always going to be 360. So question E, they want you to make up a conjecture about the sum of the exterior angles. Well, the conjecture, bless you, the conjecture is that it's always 360. It is. So for part F, they want you to show mathematically how. It says, is your conjecture from part E true for all polygons or for only regular polygons? You can use tracing paper if you want to, or they even have an e-tool, but it's not really, I did it, it's not really helpful, okay? So what do they want us to do? They want us to look at the sum of each interior and exterior pair, which is always 180 degrees, okay? Then we need to get the interior angles, which is 180 times n minus 2. And then we want the exterior sum, which is 180 minus the 180 minus n minus 2, which always gets us back to 360. It's just showing it mathematically. It's not anything you're not going to be asked that part. You're just going to write your answer is that it's always 360. Okay? Part G. What is the measure of one exterior angle of a regular polygon? Does your method work for all polygons or only for regular polygons? This only works for regular polygons. You're going to take the 360 divided by the number of sides. And what makes a polygon regular is that it's going to have all of its angles the same measure. All of its sides are going to be the same measure.